Credit Strong is a credit-building service that lets users make monthly payments toward a secured account designed to help build payment history. By the end, you'll know how Credit Strong works, who it may be useful for, and what to check before paying for a credit-building service. Credit Strong is different from a traditional credit card because the main purpose is building credit history rather than spending money. The service is built around creating reported payment activity, which can help some people who need more information added to their credit profile. The main benefit is that payment history is one of the biggest factors used in credit scoring models. Making consistent payments through a credit-building account can help demonstrate responsible borrowing behavior over time. The first thing to check is whether you actually need a credit-building product. If you already have multiple accounts reporting positive payment history, paying for another service may not add much value. Credit Strong is usually more relevant for people with limited credit history, people trying to establish credit for the first time, or people rebuilding after having few active accounts. The process starts by choosing a Credit Strong plan, making the required monthly payments, and allowing the account activity to be reported to credit bureaus. The goal is to create a record of consistent payments rather than access borrowed money for everyday purchases. Before signing up, check the monthly cost, the plan details, and how the service fits into your overall credit strategy. A credit-building account only works if the payments fit comfortably into your budget. It also helps to compare Credit Strong with other ways to build credit, such as secured credit cards, becoming an authorized user on an existing account, or using other credit-building products. No credit-building service can instantly transform your credit score. Building credit usually requires time, consistent payments, and responsible management of all your accounts. The main points are simple. Credit Strong focuses on creating payment history. It may be useful for people who need more credit activity, and the monthly cost should match the value you expect to get from it. Your next step is to review your current credit report and decide whether adding another reported account makes sense for your situation. If this helped you understand whether Credit Strong is worth the monthly payment, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward reviews of financial apps and services.